We really did find the perfect spot here in the corner upstairs. Down there is the buffet and seating, but then if you go up these stairs on both sides, there's seating up here. And it's not near as busy usually as it is down there. But yeah, we're playing the Queen of Hearts and I think I'm losing, but we're having a good time. It's just something like sitting around relaxing, playing games, reading on C-Day, or some people like to lay, you know, on the lounge chairs. So get some fresh ocean air real quick. Take a little break. Earlier when we were having our brunch, he had said that the water was 7,000 feet deep. It's 87 right now. Ooh, what's this?
Hello everybody, very good afternoon.
Cruise director.
Here, your cruise director speaking. This is the last and final call for our military appreciation gathering.
6:43, you guys. We've been up there all, you know, hours, just playing cards and enjoying ourselves. The pool, the adult pool back here looks really inviting right now. It has a lot more water in it today than it did days ago. We are going to go spend the next 3 hours in the comedy lounge. Whoa, it's foggy out. This is a beer station, you guys. You can PYOB and you pay per ounce. It's 40 cents an ounce. This has a 14-ounce cups, approximately $5.60, and there's no cups.
Yeah. And also the screen doesn't work.
Aww. You know, I don't think it worked on the other cruise or two that I went on also.
Interesting.
Well, it says to swipe your card, maybe to do that first. I am telling you, when I left the room today, it was such a dang mess. Now the beds are all wrinkled up and stuff, and it's really nice because, like I said, once again at night, they fix your room up, close your curtains, but they come once. I don't know if you can tell them you want them to come twice because you still have to pay the mandatory gratuities, which is the same as you would pay on a cruise ship where they come twice a day. They asked us if they wanted us to come in the morning or in the evening, and we said evening, so it's crappy because we have to have a dirty room all day. Like, we use our towels and get back and forth at night after they've already cleaned and then they're in there. I didn't need to put the card in there, hon. You have to have the dirty towels there like all night, all morning, all afternoon until evening again. I like them coming twice. I don't have much for them to do, but just to have the towels replaced twice a day is nice. I'm going to the comedy club, and like I said, we're gonna be here for about 3 hours. I'm gonna show you why in just a minute. The comedy was at 7:30. You basically have to come like half an hour early, so we were at 7, wait till 7:30, gets over at 8. We're gonna wait until 8:30, there's no use in leaving. It's gonna get over at 9. We'll wait from 9 to 9:30. When there's another comedy. We have been sitting in the lounge at 7 o'clock. That's what you do on Carnival. Yeah, it was super fun, and Ken Boyd is the best. The best. Here is where we're at right here. Is it really almost 1 in the morning? Wow, that's us? We're almost in Miami.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was a fun cruise. So close. I expected 12:30 at night guest services would be crazy busy. Wow, it's amazing. Oh, it's so cool down here. What if our room was like this? Oh, no fair. We go hot room now. So now after everybody got out of the comedy club, they came down here and it is a longer line. But I want to go outside one more time and see the rolling ocean. Oh my God. I haven't even had a chance to look in my room to see what disembarkation is like in the morning. I did hear an announcement things had changed, so I'm curious to see that sheet. But we weren't in our room to put luggage out, so we will just self-carry like we almost always do anyway. It's fine. I'm not in a big rush tomorrow though. I do have some plans, some cool places to stop on the way back up to Orlando. Oh my gosh, look how inviting it looks out here though.
Oh, I know.
Oh. Oh. It's humid salt air. So beautiful and peaceful and amazing. Quiet. The last night of the cruise is always so dang quiet. Everybody is packing, getting to bed early. Well, most people, like the comedian said, everybody but the drunk people, except for we're not drunk.
The club is gonna be packed tonight.
True. We didn't have anything to drink today because of yesterday.
No drinking today.
Good morning, guys. It is 8:33.
Something like that.
Something like that. We're supposed to be out by 8:30 and we're leaving. We just did a quick pack in. We weren't ready to wake up, but we did. There's a shipping behind us. We don't know what it is yet, but we're leaving right now. Yeah, the cruise is over.
Quick.
So you guys, there's a very specific way they do disembarkation here, or debark, and it's kind of newish change since the last time I've been on a cruise. So I'm gonna go over it as soon as we get outside. So don't go yet. This is one of those corner rooms, you guys. Look. Look. Chris, there's nobody in there. That's one of those corner rooms you see on the side of the ship. Look how nice that is. Dude, I want one of those rooms.
That is kind of cool, actually.
That's cool. I'm pretty sure it was about 8:15 when they said the first group of self-carrying people could leave. And so we're heading that way. Every single elevator is turned off. So right now people are going up the stairs because she said that someone just told her that they turned them all off because it's so jammed upstairs that they're not letting anyone come up on the elevators. Oh, she's hand taking people.
Let's go! After the ship.
Hello. Is this where you go? Yep. This is why. Why did everybody get out of that one slide? They come out of the elevator and you're stuck. Now I see why they have the elevators turned off down there. So you guys, up there on the staircase, it's all roped off. If you're coming down that stairs, you actually can't come down. You have to go up to a specified level, wait to get on an elevator up there, then be let off on one of these elevators to join this crowd of people. The sea of people waiting to disembark.
We leave the ocean and we go into an ocean of people.
I like that hat.
I love that hat. My hat?
Nice hat. Update, the people on the stairs that are blocked off are not actually going up to an elevator. They're just going around the corner and down those stairs. So it's a process to get everybody off. We're moving pretty good, decent pace. They're calling the next group. It is probably, we need a timestamp, 8:50. Still self-carry.
G and H.
We made it around the hot corner and now we're in the cool hallway. At least it's air conditioned in here, man. What do you think of your first Carnival cruise? Like, kind of briefly.
It's an interesting ship. It's been a fun cruise.
It has been a fun cruise. See, that's the thing. Even if you don't love a ship you go on, it's gonna pretty much always be a fun cruise. A cruise is a cruise, right?
Right.
As long as you make it fun. You gotta make it fun sometimes. 8:56 check-in. We are making our way around the bar here on deck 3. There's the exit. 9 o'clock, we're on the deck, about to go on the gangway. Oh man, what a fun cruise. Woo, it's bouncy. Bye, Victory. Bye forever, Victory. R.I.P.
Wow!
No, it's not the Victory. Okay, R.I.P. after it's done in a couple weeks. Pre-R.I.P. It's gonna, look now guys, because it's not gonna be the Victory anymore, it's gonna be the Radiance. And I truly can't wait to come on it. I really wanna come on it right away. Wouldn't it be cool if I did a Victory, Radiance back, you know, like cruise vlogs in a row. Oh, so pretty. It's 9:09, we just got out of there. It was a totally new way of doing customs. I don't give information like that on video because, you know, for security reasons, you know, but anyway, let's put it this way, it was way easier and smoother and faster, and it was awesome. So 9:09, basically what, 35 minutes from the time we walked out of our room to go through, which is good. We're here, and if you guys have been here since the beginning, then you know that we use off-site parking, so we're gonna go get our car, and we're waiting and hoping to make sure everything's okay. If you haven't been here from the beginning, click on this playlist on my channel and watch them all from the beginning. But yeah, don't go yet because in the shuttle, I'm gonna go over the debarkation process here because I haven't had time this morning. And then of course, we're going to go to the shuttle and we're gonna go to the car and we're gonna finish off the vlog there. But I'll see you guys in a minute. So it's been 40 minutes, it's 9:40, and 2 shuttles from our Premier Cruise Parking has come. One of them, well, they don't tell you exactly where to wait, but just over here. And we started waiting, and there's one more guy waiting, but then everybody came and started waiting, and then like it was full, and we didn't get it. And then another one just came 40 minutes later, but it came full. It only had room to take a couple of people. So we're doing an Uber because it's already been 40 minutes. Might want to just plan on that, huh? 10:02, we just got out of the Uber right here because the park garage is literally right here at the end of the sidewalk, but there's apparently one of those bridges that rises up that got stuck up for 2 days now, so it's creating major traffic problems. Might be why we were having the problem with the port at the shuttles taking so long, but he was the nicest Uber driver I have ever seen. Thank you, Chris. But I still haven't been able to go over my papers with you guys, but I will, I promise. Probably at a stop along the way home or something, because I want you to see the debarking process because it is new-ish. Miami is so pretty though. It is crazy here. The driving and the horn honking and the and the cutting in front of people and the almost swipe. Oh, there was an accident right out of the cruise port. Right when you got out of the bridge too. Someone from New York ran into someone from Florida. It was really sad. But see, we're right here. We told them it was fine, let us off there. Oh, we get to go in the weird little elevators right now. It's time for the big reveal. We're in the parking garage on our level, which is 8. And once again, if you guys watched the first video, we were hesitant about using off-site parking because you hear in Miami, it's kind of like you don't do it. But I wanted to try it. I wanted to try it so I could answer you guys' questions when you ask me, have I stayed off-site? But just because I stayed off-site and everything is okay, doesn't mean if you do, it might be, but hopefully it will be. But we're about to see there's a big truck blocking the car. You hear horror stories about everything, I know. But still, it's one of those things where people are like, off-site park in Miami? No, but it was half the price. And yeah, we had to spend an hour, you know, getting there and everything, but depends on how valuable your time is, I suppose, on the day you get off the ship. I don't see any broken windows. I don't see a broken sunroof. I don't see any flat tires. We have 4 tires, we have muffler, we have intact windows, and we're right in the corner, right here on this corner spot. Huh? Everything's here?
Everything's here.
The car is super duper. We did it. It is good.
Yeah.
It's not like a nightmare. It doesn't have to be. Like, they make it seem like don't ever do it.
But
Bad things happen all the time to some place, even in a car or whatever.
Right.
Of course, it can happen, and it could be you, but you know, it could also not be. So if you want to try it, try it.
And I would say the only downside to it is you are going to have to wait at the cruise port when you get back, unfortunately.
Yeah.
If you absolutely want to take their shuttle back here, you're going to have to wait.
And if you're in a hurry, don't do that.
It can take an hour. What I recommend though is to Uber, Lyft, or get a taxi cab back here. Usually it's between $8 and $15 if you're a small family.
Yeah.
Of maybe 3 or 4. It'll be more if it's going to be larger families or larger groups. So just know that you may be better off spending that extra $8 to $15 if you are needing to get back here fast.
Yeah.
So you're still saving money.
Yeah, and that being said, if you're a really large group and it's going to cost you a lot for Uber there and back, you might not be saving that much money to even park here in the first place.
Right.
Just all depends on your situation. Check it out. This is Premier Cruise Parking.
yes.
That's this specific place we tried, Premier.
It's in downtown Miami.
Yeah, downtown Miami.
So about maybe, what, a 10-minute drive to the cruise port?
With traffic, yeah. That first day in the shuttle, we were there in a few minutes, it seemed like.
Very quick.
But anyway, I'm going to be back in a little bit here and show you the debarkation schedule. This is the sound of Miami.
Wait.
This is Miami.
New York and Miami.
This is what Miami sounds like. Horns. Horns.
It's horny.
We're, oh, that buggy. Okay, we're in Clewiston. And so I don't know, maybe an hour and a half from Miami anyway. We get out of the car to go get something to eat, something to drink, go to the bathroom at this Save a Lot grocery store. And then Menar's like, oh my God, it's cold. And I'm like, whatever. I get out, I'm like, it's cold. And we just ran out of the parking lot and we're...
It's freezing. It feels ice cold.
So he looked up the temperature and said, don't tell me yet, wait a minute. What is it, 60?
63.
It is freezing.
And we are freezing.
Freezing.
That is ridiculous.
63. It's icy wind, man.
Oh.
That's because we just got out of the Caribbean and that's what it's like. Imagine those people that go home. That guy's going home and it was like, what, 40?
Well, we are going to go back to Orlando to 54 degrees.
Yes. I'm fine with that. I'd rather it be that, personally.
It is 54 right now. The high today is going to be 55 in Orlando.
Wow. So this is warm right now.
So this is warm compared to what we're about to face back home.
Oh, man.
Oh, my gosh. I can't believe it's that cold.
I didn't expect it because it was hot. It was 85.
I know.
Here an hour and a half ago.
We hit false spring last week is what it is. Remember, there's fake spring right before.
Yeah.
So yeah, we hit false spring because we're back down into the high of being 60 for next week.
Good.
So.
Pizza delivery. She's freezing. Look at her face.
It's hot and ready, guys.
It's hot and ready. Yay! You're just cold and
I'm cold.
But guess what time? What temperature it is?
What temperature?
just guess.
Like 68.
Actually, she's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's 63 degrees.
Oh my god.
And we feel this cold though.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like,
We've just been in
why?
the Caribbean, that's why.
Yeah, literally. Also, it was like how hot in Mexico?
85, almost 90 felt like.
Yep.